Jay, make your moves.
When y'all gonna start listening to Jay?
Damn.
I done told you, I will never steer you wrong. My plug.
Jay, make your
YouTube fam or what is good, man? How y'all feeling? What's popping? It is hump day, man. Hopefully y'all week is in a downward spiral. Y'all are, you know what I'm saying, getting ready for the weekend. You know, things are not as hectic at work, you know. Today, man, your boy Jay has something special for y'all, as well as I want to bring up a past conversation, a past statement that I made, a prediction to say that I made. And I mean, I'm standing on 10 toes and it's looking like it's leaning towards your boy Jay's prediction on this shoe. But before we get into all that, man, if this is your first time stopping through, rocking out with your boy Jay, welcome. We are on something called the road to 200K over here, where your boy Jay is trying to hit 200,000 subscribers, and we are nearing that, man. And I need you guys to help us get closer to the goal by simply hitting that subscribe button, rocking out with us over here, and being a part of the family, man. If you do hit the subscribe button, make sure you leave a comment down below letting me know that you are new. I have been seeing a couple comments of people saying that they are new to the fam. Salute to y'all, welcome to the family. But all newcomers, I need y'all to let me know that y'all are new. Don't come in here quiet, bruh. Come in here barking, big dog. I'm here. Big dog status, you know what I'm saying? I need y'all to be known. Y'all presence is known that y'all are here, man. So leave a comment down below in the comment section. I will respond back. That is my word. But yes, man, 200K is the goal. Live subscriber count back there. Yeah, we're trying to get to it, man. But yes, today I have another early look. The shoe that I do have is set to be releasing this month. I want to say it's July 19th, I think. Somewhere around that time, we will be getting this shoe, as well as we do have another shoe in the same exact colorway. And yeah, man, that's pretty much all I'm gonna say right now. Let's go ahead and check out the shoe, and then we'll dive more into the conversation I do want to have with y'all. Appreciate you. Bang! So here we go, y'all, man. Here is the box. Here is the shoe of the day. I was one day off with my date on these, y'all. These released on July 18th. So July 18th release. This one is a women's exclusive, y'all. So this shoe will only go up to a 12W, which is equivalent to a 10.5 in men. So everybody over a 10.5 in men, you might have to squeeze your foot in there, take out an insole, or you just might have to miss out on this shoe altogether. But you got options, man, because this isn't the only Starfish colorway shoe that is releasing this month. I will talk about the other one. Y'all already know what it is, but we'll talk about that one here in a second. But for now, y'all, we do have the women's Air Jordan 3 Retro T. You can see the box. It does have sail, the 3/4 box. It has the sail on one side, and then you got the orange hit on the other side. You got a Jumpman that is shining in the middle, and that is pretty much it. Real quick, man, take a look. Can y'all see my RFID chip? It is very distinct on this one. It does have like those yield, like triangular looking type of RFID stuff back there, if you can see it. But yeah, man, this is a size 10.5. This is a size mine. I like these personally, y'all, so I am keeping the personal in these. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, when it comes to Jordan 3s, every year we get a dope women's colorway, y'all. Like dating back to we got Starfish 3s, I want to say, was it last year, or Citrus, or Georgia Peach? We got Georgia Peach 3s last year. That was a women's exclusive. The year before that, we might have gotten the green pair. I forgot what the name of the green pair was. It was white and green. We got those. And we've had Citrus 3s, women's. Like every year, we get a dope colorway in 3s. And I don't know, man. I think that they should start making these types of colorways in men's sizes, y'all, because I think that there'll be fairly dope colorways. But yes, this one right here, color blocking, is Fossil Starfish Sail. Color blocking, we have heard before. When you pop open the box lid on this one, you will see that you do got a lot number and a stamp right there by my finger. Top of the box lid looks like so. You got a white and green sticker right back there in the cut, as you can see. That is pretty much all that comes in the box. You can see the shoe through the paper because it is just, you know, bright like that. But we do have, releasing on July 18th, the women's Jordan 3 in the Starfish colorway, y'all. Bang! Yes, sir, man. Now, I like these. Another thing in here, too, of course, I told y'all, all these recent shoes got the ABC 1, 2, 3 stamp right there in the back. You can see it, you know what I'm saying? But that is some sort of a date, some sort of a coding, you know, Nike is doing with all these new shoes. But yes, man, these 3s right here in my opinion, are very clean. Now, will they sell out?
Nope.
No, these will not sell out. These will be available. You know what I'm saying? Just like another shoe that I'm about to talk about. But these Jordan 3s right here, super clean in my opinion. A lot of people, the feedback I've been getting about these, they're like, bruh, I don't like the material on there. I don't like the... I think it's clean, bro. Your boy Jay gonna do something with these. I'm gonna give y'all the outfit that I'm gonna put together with these in a second. Just give me a second. But yes, real quick, Jordan 3 Sail, Fossil, Starfish, whatever you want to call them, releasing July 18th. Bang! So here we are, man. What are your first thoughts on this Jordan 3, y'all? Now, I told y'all, to me, these joints are fire, man. Definitely a clean pair. Now, as you can see, the uppers, it does contain an all-over canvas upper material, and a lot of people say that they don't care for that, you know what I'm saying? But would you have liked it to be leather? I mean, I don't think sail and leather on this in particular shoe would have came out good, y'all. So for this shoe to be exactly what it is, as far as the colors in the same areas where the colors are, I think canvas material is the best material for them to have had put on this shoe. So I'm not mad at it, you know what I'm saying? And for the outfit, y'all, like, follow me, y'all. This can be like a nice little casual night out, you know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, even a sneaker ball, you know, you might want to go a little more crazy for a sneaker ball, but just follow your boy Jay. You can rock. Some of y'all gonna be like, bruh, you tripping. I ain't putting on. You can rock some plaid pants with these, y'all. Plaid pants with these. Set them off crazy. Set them off crazy. A nice little button up or something, like, definitely a dope fit idea that you can put together with these. I think that these are just clean, y'all. The orange on it pops, man. Take a look at the orange. Of course, the hits where you do have the orange is in a suede or a nubuck. I want to say it's more of a suede, you know what I'm saying? But it's like a pumpkin orange, y'all. Very similar to the Jordan 1s that we have gotten with the pumpkin look on it, y'all. And just thinking about that Jordan 1 is giving me some ideas with this shoe, man. So stay tuned for an on feet look at these, y'all. We gonna do something special for these, but this is definitely giving like a golden harvest, you know, Thanksgiving type of vibe, you know. These, in my opinion, like I said, for me personally, y'all, these are fire. I'm keeping these in the collection. This is a personal for me. Like I said, I don't feel like you have to jump out the window for them. They're not going to be hard to get. They're going to be fairly easy to get. Speaking of fairly easy to get, you can get them right now. I have select sizes available right now. If you are hearing this, I got you for retail plus shipping right now. You'll have them in 2 or 3 days, you know what I'm saying? If you want them, I have select sizes over at JTSG Closet. Head over to JTSG Closet to see what sizes I have available. But yes, man, I think that they are pretty decent, man. Take a look around the ankle collar area. We got the nice suede going around it right there, and it is very, very soft to the touch, y'all. Very soft, y'all. I'm not mad at this Jordan 3, man. Like I said, bro, and I'm not trying to persuade y'all. This is just from me, you know, my stylish, my fashion brain sense, you know, like, I see a lot of different ideas with these, you know. And I went to LA and I picked up some shorts. For those of y'all who watched that vlog, I did pick up some shorts, and the shorts that I picked up would go perfectly with these shoes, y'all. Let me show them to y'all. Bang! Do y'all feel me? You know what I'm saying? So I picked up these orange and white Nike shorts, y'all, when I went to a Dick's Sporting Goods in California. And I think that, you know, some shorts like this, these, you know, a nice clean shirt. I mean, my fit that I have on right now, you know what I'm saying? Like, will go perfect with these, you know? Like, it's a decent shoe, so you can either dress them up or dress them down. But I think that these are nice. This should have been in full family size, y'all. Like, I ain't gonna lie, but I get it. You do gotta have certain things for the ladies. So, I mean, it is what it is. But if you're gonna have it exclusively for the ladies, if you wanna put the W on the box, go ahead and make it extended sizes, y'all, because I'm sure there's people out there that would definitely have picked this shoe up, man. And you know, y'all know who run the sneaker game when it comes to pushing the market and making things hot. It's a male-dominated thing, you know. Like, the men dictate what shoe is hot, what shoe is not. Women really don't even care about the shoes like that. But I get it, Jordan. I get it, you know what I'm saying? But you got, of course, the same harvest orange type of Jumpman on the tongue, y'all. These, bro, I'm sorry, these are super clean, man. You got the translucent outsole on these. Just a clean pair, man. Y'all comment down below, what are your thoughts on these? And like I said, y'all, do not let me hype them up. Hey, hype them up. Like y'all say, no, I just like these. And I know that this shoe will be probably below retail. You know what I'm saying? Like this shoe will not be going for much, but I just like it. It does not have to be a hype shoe for your boy Jay to like it. Speaking of hype shoes, you know what I'm saying? Bruh, I was outside with my Jordan 1 low shattered backboards on today, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, it's all about what I like. I be rocking all types of things. Y'all be like, Jay, why you rocking them mutation lows or whatever? Hey, man, because I like them, bro. I'm a Jordan 1 lover, low life to the core. And I'm rocking what I like, you know, and I recommend y'all buy what you like. Do not worry about it. Like I said, this will not have any value. It won't have any hype, and that might be a good thing, because if not 20 people go after these, you could be the one to kind of set these off, and you know, people will be like, bruh, I should have picked those up. That's what I be liking to do. Like, I like to get them shoes that nobody's paying attention to and be like, bruh, I should have got them. You know what I'm saying? Rare Air 3s, you know what I'm saying? But yes, man, these joints right here are super clean. Y'all comment down below. But these are officially releasing on July 18th. And like I said, y'all, it is a women's release, so we will not see them in extended sizing. But I can't get over how clean these are, y'all. Super clean. And I like the materials. I don't think the sail leather would have been a good look on this shoe. I think the canvas is a perfect, you know, material to put on this shoe. And like I said, man, some plaid pants, going crazy, you know what I'm saying? But it's all about what you do with them. But yes, man, these Jordan 3 Starfishes are releasing on July 18th. Now, outside of these, y'all, August. Well, we're not getting the shoe in July. I thought it was July, but August, y'all. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. The shattered backboard Jordan 1s. Now, your boy Jay showed you guys an early look of that shoe. And in that video, before any pairs was out, any of that was going on, I predicted in that video. You know what? Show y'all better than I could tell y'all, man. Roll that clip, bro. I'm still standing on my statement. These will sit. The box will not make it sell out. And we have seen shoes similar to this. I brought up early in the video the Taxi Jordan 1s, you know what I'm saying? And I don't know, y'all. It's a Jordan 1 at the end of the day, y'all. And it's not a collab, so I just gotta stand by my guns and say that these will sit. But y'all let me know, man. Yes, it's no cap in my rap. I'm standing 10 toes down on my statement. I told you, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, shout out to the man upstairs. Your boy Jay has been pretty accurate with his just predictions. And, you know, if you guys remember, I did say something about seeing those Toro 4s in 2026. I said that January, December. I wouldn't be surprised if those pop up. If y'all remember, y'all remember. Ain't no cap in my rap now, you know what I'm saying? But hey, it happened. I told y'all about the Gamma 11s, but it was just a guess. I be wrong on things, but I have been pretty accurate on the things I've been saying. Now, with the fact of me saying I've been pretty accurate, told y'all them shattered backboards is gonna sit. And the way things are looking, y'all, them shattered backboards are gonna sit. If you take a look at the market, y'all, so for kicks and giggles, your boy Jay put in a bid on StockX. I put in a bid on StockX, I want to say for like 200 bucks or $203, 213, somewhere in that ballpark. I put in a bid maybe like 2 or 3 days ago. My bid got accepted today. Market is down, and look, y'all, we are a month and some weeks out from the release of the Jordan 1 shattered backboards. The shattered backboards, not the 2.0s, 3.0s, 4.0s. This is the OG shattered backboard, y'all. And they are right around $200 to $250 a month ahead of the release, y'all. And all I see on a daily basis is those prices going down. So when it comes to the actual release date, where do you think the prices of that shoe is gonna be? It is proven anytime a shoe is valued around retail or below retail, when it comes to the release, that shoe sits. Black Toe reimagined Jordan 1s. Rare Air Jordan 3s. The list goes on, you know what I'm saying? And that's what, you know, track the Jordan 1 shattered backboards are on, y'all. So like I told y'all, for those of y'all who commented in the comment section, you know who you are. Them things gonna sell out, bro. Ain't no way them shattered backboards. Alright, my reply to y'all was, we shall see. But your boy Jay already know what time it is. And what was the last Jordan 1, you know, just general release, GR, that sold out. What was it? What was the last Jordan 1 GR? Y'all let me know in the comment section down below. What was the last GR Jordan 1? I'm not talking about unions. I'm not talking about the last general release Jordan 1 to sell out in stores. Don't mention the breads, because that was not a general release. The band, where they at? Over there. Don't mention them bands. No, sir. So y'all let me know, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, bro, all I do is tally up, you know, the details and the statistics, the facts, all that stuff. And I just give y'all my prediction, y'all. And your boy Jay will never steer you wrong, man. But yes, man, Starfish 3s, bang, releasing soon. Definitely a clean pair. I am excited for these. I'm happy I got my hands on them. This is a personal, once again. Yes, I'm hyping them up because I like them. I can do that, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even got to worry about them being hyped and all that stuff like y'all say, because this is going to be a below or a retail shoe. So, hey, it is what it is. Like I told y'all, if y'all want them, got y'all over at JTSG Closet. Select sizes for retail, maybe a 9 through a 11W or something like that. But check over there. I got y'all. But that is it. Your boy Jay is checking out. Appreciate y'all as always. Y'all stay blessed. And yeah, man, we'll be back tomorrow with some more vids, man. I might hit y'all with the Pure Money 3 movie tomorrow, just depending on how things go. But I will see y'all back then. Hit the thumbs up if you liking the content. Hit the subscribe button, join the family. And outside of that, man, your boy Jay is gone. I might hit y'all with a quick on feet of the Jordan 1 Low Starfishes, since I ain't even, you know, did nothing for those yet. But yeah, I'll see y'all back tomorrow, man.
Jay making movies. Swab it out, scene, don't shoot it. Sauce with the drip, extra groovy. Jordan 1s cost more than your Gucci. Plus I doubled up, shot it, so sue me. You can say I'm in my bag, no Louis. Greatness in my jeans, no Truey. It be bangers only, I'm reviewing. Bangers, I'm popping now. Jay on a roll, ain't no stopping now. Whip out them laces, we bopping now. You know the name is to swap it out. Bangers, I'm copping now. Jay on a roll, ain't no stopping now. Whip out them laces, we bopping now. You know the name is to swap it out. Swap.